generous enough can contribute in the memory of someone who is beloved to you, or in your own, on your own behalf. Your names will be displayed on the donors list panel, which will be enshrined in the office room of Dhanakshetra. You will have the privilege of feeding 5,000 people a day, which is not a small number. I hope my appeal has reached your hearts. With this, we fall in tune with the divine and sing the Govinda Damodara Stotra. Kurunam atha pandavanam dushasanena kritavastrakesham Krishna tadakrushadanam yanatha Govinda Damodara Madhaviti 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 Shri Krishna Vishnu Madhupaita Bhare Bhaktanukampin Bhagavan Murare Prayasvamam Keshavalokanaatha Govinda Damodara Madhaviti 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 Vaktum samarthopi navakti kachit aho jananam vyasanabhimukhyam jihve pivasva amritam etadeva Govinda Damodara Madhaviti Govinda Damodara Madhaviti Govinda Damodara Madhaviti Govinda Damodara Madhaviti Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. An old song comes to my mind. Once when I was doing the Katha in Vrindavan, somebody told me, you want to live in Vrindavan? Then you have to get the permission of Haridas Ji. Haridas Ji is the owner. He is the real estate agent where Vrindavan is concerned. So my heart went out to him and said, Sona na mango, chandi na mango, हरिदास जी ब्रज की गली में रहना मांगो हरिदास जी सोना न मांगो चांदी न मांगो हरिदास जी ब्रज की गली में रहना मांगो हरिदास जी हीरा न मांगो मोती न मांगो हरिदास जी दक्षिण से मैं आई दीवानी हरिदास जी हीरा न मांगो मोती न मांगो हरिदास जी दक्षिण से मैं आई दीवानी हरिदास जी जमुना तट पे कुटिया बनाना हरिदास जी राधे श्याम को वहीं बुलाना हरिदास जी जमुना तट पे कुटिया बनाना हरिदास जी राधे श्याम को वहीं बुलाना हरिदास जी सोना न मांगो चांदी न मांगो हरिदास जी ब्रज की गली में रहना मांगो हरिदास जी कृष्ण प्रेम से आप कहो तो हरिदास जी ब्रज की गली में बिहारी मिलेंगे हरिदास जी। कृष्ण प्रेम से आप कहो तो हरिदास जी। ब्रज की गली में बिहारी मिलेंगे हरिदास जी। सोना न मांगो चांदी न मांगो हरिदास जी। ब्रज की गली में रहना मांगो हरिदास जी। हीरा न मांगो मोती न मांगो हरिदास जी। दक्षिण से मैं आई दीवानी हरिदास जी। जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे श्याम। By the grace of the Lord, to refresh your memory, we were in the 10th canto of the Bhagavatam. A Brahmin has a problem. His children die year after year. Nobody saves them. And he's desperate. Arjuna happens to hear this. Those days, as I told you, the king's gate was the Supreme Court. You have to go there to appeal for justice. And so Dwarkadhish, the Dwarka gates, the palace gates, have this Brahmin standing and wailing and weeping. Nobody is saving me. What sort of a government is this? What sort of Ugrasena is this? Who is he who doesn't care for his subjects? And Arjuna very bravely says, I'm there to save you, sir. I'm safe. And may I know who you are? I am not Sankarshana, Balramji. I am not Krishna. I am Arjuna. And Gandiva is my Dhanush. Naham Sankarshanu Brahman, na Krishna Karshnirevacha, aham va Arjuno nama, Gandivam yasya vaidhanuhum. I've told you earlier, professional pride follows us to the grave or through the grave, if I can play on the word. It's beyond the grave. Professional pride is so difficult to get rid of. That is why I am Arjuna and Gandiva is my Dhanush. That is the way he brags. Mavamam sthamam brahman na viryam trayambakatoshanam mrutyum vijityam radhane anishyate praja prabhu. Don't worry, sir. Don't belittle my ability. I was the one who satisfied Lord Trayambaka, Lord Shiva himself. I will bring back your sons. Don't worry. I will fight with death himself. That is where we stopped. Evam vikshram vito vipraha phalgunena parantapa jagama swagriham pritaha parthaviryam nishamayan. He is only listening to this glory, the self-boasting of Arjuna, and he waits for the next delivery time. Prasuti kala asanne bharyaya dvijasattamaha pahi pahi prajam mrutyur ityaha arjunam aturaha. When the time of delivery was nearing, he came to Arjuna and said, please, please, pahi pahi prajam mrutyur, please save my offspring from death. This has been happening year after year. So upasprishya shuchyambho namaskritya maheshwaram. My dear listeners, I have said it before when I do the Mahabharata. Our profession is our God. That is why I always admired the great beloved Prime Minister, Modi ji, who bows down to the parliament before entering it. Before I sit on the Vyasapita, I bow down to the Vyasapita and sit on it. It is our duty to worship our profession. Children throw books, I make them apologize. A musician kicks the box of the musical instrument in the airport. I said, don't do that. It's your bread earner. You can't push it with your shoe. You are living because of the instrument. How do I connect it with Arjuna? When Arjuna is about to win the hand of Draupadi, he goes round the Dhanush. He goes round the Dhanush. And with that, because archery is his profession and archery is his God, That is why we have to bow down. What does he do? He touches holy water, sa upasprishya, shuchyambhu, the pure water, namaskritya maheshwaram, bowing down to the Lord, divyan astrani samsmritya, sajjam gandiva madade. It is at that time he strung his bow gandiva. Again and again, I refresh your memory. Astra is different from Shastra. Astra is a arrow. Shastra is an arrow plus mantra. So you have to remember the mantra. I think I don't have to remind you of that. Many a time, Karna is to come onto the battlefield and forget the mantra. It's like forgetting your password. I think your laptop asked you, forgot your password? One question mark. Because you've forgotten only, you are suffering. Can't it understand? But it doesn't have a heart, no? The laptop has a head, but not a heart. I hope I'm not insulting your laptop. It's got a head, not a heart. Only the Lord has a heart. Mattasmriti jnanam apohanam. You'll be surprised. Yesterday, I got a topic for the message and it got totally deleted, maybe because of superimpositions of preoccupations and so on. I said, Krishna, I forgot what that message was. And I got it back again because I said Krishna, and Krishna is memory. Yesterday, I met a gentleman who said, Amma, tell us how to refresh memory. I said, memory is not in your hands. Memory is God. It is in his hands to refresh your memory. Say you have forgotten and he will remind. You understand? Now, in order to remember the mantras, Arjuna is praying to the Lord, Samsmritya Sajjam Gandivam Adade. It is then, at that time, he creates a whole fortress of arrows. He is famous for that. I hope you remember. On the battlefield, one day, when the horses of Arjuna were thirsty, he created a canopy of arrows. And he created a pond of fresh water with fresh lotuses and fresh bees hovering, all this magic he can do. The great Arjuna has been taught by the greater Dronacharya all these feats on the battlefield. So now he creates a fortress. He thinks the enemy is coming from somewhere on all sides. So let us guard the child that is going to be born. What did he do? Nerunat, Sutika Adaram, the house where the birth was going to take place, Sharaihi, with different types. Sharaihi nanastra yojitaihi tiryak urdhvam atha partha chakara sharapanjaram. Everywhere he protected. Everywhere, upwards, downwards, sideways. This is human skill. But beyond human skill is divine design. I hope you understand. Beyond human skill is divine design. He forgot that. Everything is ready now. So he says, no, death cannot come. Tata kumara sanjato viprapatnyarudanmuhu sadyo adarshanam apede sashariro vihayasam. The baby was born. As soon as the baby is born, it cries. I told you. That book called The Unborn Child. First we are made to cry, then we make others cry. That is how life develops. As soon as we are born, we cry. What a way to begin life. I want children to smile, but they don't, because crying is a sign of life for the lady doctor to understand the baby is born. It cried and then it disappeared. All these days, at least the dead body of the child was available. Now his sashariro vihayasa, into the sky, the body disappeared. Sadyo adarshanam apede. Adarshana means disappearance. Darshana, appearance. Adarshana, disappearance. Tadaha vipro vijayam vinindan krishna sannidho maudhyam pashyata me yoham shraddhade klibakathanam. Oh, you Arjuna, good for nothing fellow. I thought you were going to save my baby. What a fool I was that I believed in a man who played the role of a eunuch for 1 whole year. Imagine. Kliba Kathanam. For 1 whole year, you wore Ghagra Choli and you were dancing master in Virata Parva. then that's the time I should have known you're good for nothing. You're only good for being a dancing master. That is all. You're not for this. You're meant for a Kliba Kathana. I believed in a eunuch. Fie on me, shame on me. Pradyumna could not save. Aniruddha, his son, could not save. Balarama could not save. Krishna could not save. Na Pradyumno, Aniruddho, na Ramo, na cha Keshavaha, yasya sheku paritratum, ko anyasta tad aviteshvara. Who could? How could anybody be a protector? Anybody in the world cannot be a protector when all these have failed. Dik Arjunam Rishavadam, Dig Atmashlagino Dhanuhu, Daivopasrishtam Yomaudhyat, Aninishati Turmatihi. Oh, yes, to hell with this person. Who is he? Rishavadam. False person, liar that he is, jhoota hai. Dig Atmashlagino Dhanuhu. Oh, you and your pride about your great Gandiva. You don't know. You thought you were going to bring back my child, but I have been deluded. You thought you were someone great, but then it is Daivopasrishtam. Destiny, fate has played foul with me and taken away my child. Evan Shapati Viprarsho Vidyam Asthaya Phalgunaha Yayau Sanyamanami Mashu Yatraste Bhagavan Yamaha. But you know, when you have a professional skill, you try till the last. Where did he go? Arjuna went to the city of Agni, he went to the city of Nirati, Soma, Vayu, Varuna, all the Dikpalakas. With weapons, he searched all the regions of the universe, from the bottom of the lowest region to the topmost part of heaven. Finally, not having found the Brahmana's son, he said, let me kill myself. Because he has been insulted. Professionally, it is a failure. And professional failure no man can bear. Let me kill myself. He wanted to enter fire because he had not kept his promise. Just then, Lord Krishna stopped him and spoke the following words. Just Agnim Vivikshu Krishnena Pratyukta Pratichetata. Stop. Darshaye Dvijasununte Ma Avagnyam Atmanam Yetena Kirtim Vimalam Manushya Sthapayishyanti. Don't worry, Arjuna, don't worry. Your Kirti and my Kirti will be re-established. I will do something wonderful. Come, don't lose heart. The whole world will praise you and me. Again and again, I feel with Krishna you are everything. Without Krishna you are nothing. That is when Krishna departs in the Bhagavata, first skanda, you have Arjuna telling Yudhishthira, I am the same, my horses are the same, my chariot is the same, my Gandiva is the same, but I am not the same because Krishna is not with me. When Krishna is with you, you can win any battle. This evening I wrote a message which will be on YouTube tomorrow. The battle is on. The battle is on. When the battle is on, every day we are fighting a battle. Knowingly, unknowingly, consciously, unconsciously. But my dear listeners, let us remember that we will win only if he is there. Karna and Krishna have a private drive. I don't know why the Mahabharata is coming so often to my mind today. Karna and Krishna go on a long drive. I have told people, when you want to say something secretly, don't take the chauffeur. Self-driving and alone you go with the person whom you want to talk to. So Krishna takes him on a long drive, lonely drive. And he says, why don't you join us? Why don't you join? We'll make you the king of the Pandavas, the head. You are the eldest of the Pandavas. He smiles and says, Krishna, where you are there, you don't need me. When you are there with Arjuna, how can anybody win against you? All my professional skill is nothing, Krishna, compared to you. So that is how इति संभाष्य भगवान अर्जुनेन सहेश्वरः दिव्यं स्वरथमास्थाय प्रतीचिं दिशमाविशत्. They entered the western direction. As they were going towards the western direction, the Lord's chariot was passing. That is the journey now. They are passing through the Saptadvipas, Saptadvipan, Sasindhuncha, Sapta Sapta Girinatha. There were 7 big mountains, there were 7 islands, and they crossed all this, and it's called Loka Loka boundary. Loka Lokam Tathatitya Vivesha Sumahattamaha. Only with Krishna you can do all this. Only with Krishna you can go through all these regions. I'm just asking you to imagine how the Bhagavata is going beyond the world, beyond this terrestrial world. Science cannot enter that space. Only spirituality can lead you there. Beyond space, beyond space. Only spirituality. The scientist stops at one particular point. That is why I say the greatest believer in God is the scientist, because he knows what he does not know. That is the paradox. He knows what he does not know. He knows that he does not know. Beyond a particular limit, his knowledge does not take him further. Beyond that, it's God's particle, he says. That's why he gets the Nobel Prize. The Nobel Prize is not for the discovery. The Nobel Prize is for the humility of knowing the limitation of human knowledge. That is the Nobel Prize for. That is how I conclude. For knowing that you don't know much about this beautiful universe, this cosmos. How does it go? The journey towards all this. Beyond that, there is darkness, darkness. When there is darkness and you're driving or you're driving a car, now they're driving a chariot. Suddenly, the horses get bewildered. They can't see anything. Everything is dark. Tatrashva Shaibya Sugriva Megha Pushpa Balahakaha. These are the horses of Krishna. All of them, Tamasi Brashta Gatayo Babuhu Bharatarshavah. All of them felt they had lost their way. You can imagine all the stallions raising their front feet, hoofs, not knowing what to do. The Lord is always there. Tam drishtva bhagavan Krishnu maha yogeshwareshwara. Ishvara, Yogeshwara, maha yogeshwara, maha yogeshwareshwara. Repeat it. Maha yogeshwareshwara. He is Ishvara, he is Yogeshwara, he is Maha Yogeshwara, he is Maha Yogeshwareshwara. Where do you get it? In the Bhagavata Rasa Leela. Maha Yogeshwareshwara. Only he can manifest his divya powers, the great powers, transcendental powers that he has. Sahasraditya Sankasham Swachakram Prahinotpuraham. Suddenly, when the lights are off, you have your mobile light. Suddenly, you switch on your mobile light and show the path, don't you? What is the light for the Lord? Sudarshana Chakra. His Sudarshana Chakra, he sends. He says, lead the way, Sudarshana, lead the way. And how is Sudarshana? Sahasra Aditya Sankasham. It is like 1,000 suns. One sun is enough to light your way. 1,000 suns were lighting the way. Tamas Sughoram Gahanam Kritam Suhat Mahat Vidarayat Bhuritarena Rochisham. What did Sudarshana do? As Sudarshana is going, the darkness is penetrated. It goes through it and Vidarayat. It penetrates Bhuritarena Roshisha with the greatest light, radiance, luminosity. Manojavam Nirvivesha Sudarshanam Gunachyuto Ramasharo Yathachamu. Whenever you think of Krishna, you think of Rama. Whenever you think of Rama, you think of Krishna. That is why I said, I love you, Rama. I love you, Rama. Bolo Ram se. I love you, Krishna. I love you, Krishna. Bolo Sham se. Shukadev also has the same love. How was this penetrating the darkness? As the sharp arrow of Sri Rama penetrates the army of the enemy. That is how. Gunachyuto Ramasharo Yatha Chamu. That is how. It's called Ramabana. That is why it's called Ramabana. Anything that works fast, anything that works efficaciously is called Ramabana. It is at that time, Prabhupada Ji in his book quotes a line from Harivamsha, where the Lord says, Brahma Tejo Mayam Divyam Mahatyad Drishtavan Asi Aham Sabharata Shreshta Mat Tejas Tat Sanatanam. This is my Tejas. Oh, Arjuna, this is my Tejas. What is called Brahma Tejas. That is the radiance of the Lord. Light and God are synonymous. Truth and God are synonymous. Darkness and the devil are synonymous. Ignorance and the devil are synonymous. That is the difference between God and the devil. The Lord is always Tejas. That is why as soon as the 11th chapter describes the cosmic vision, it is like 100,000 suns simultaneously blazing forth. Tata pravishta salilam nabhasvata. What happened? From there, they entered a body of water. There was Salila. And then huge waves were there. Within that ocean, Arjuna saw something. Tatrat bhutam vaibhavanam dyumattamam brajan manistamba sahastra shobhitam. There was a beautiful palace. And in that palace, thousands of decorated pillars were there, shining with shining gems, brilliant gems. And Tasmin Mahabhogam Anantam Adbhutam. Please fold your hands. This is the darshana of Lord Vishnu in the primordial state. Tasmin Mahabhogam Anantam Adbhutam Sahasramurdhyan Phanamani Dyubihi Vibhrajamanam Dviguneksha Nolbanam Sitachalabham Shitikantha Jihmam. What a lovely way of describing the Lord. You can almost see the Lord in Vaikuntha. Tasmin Mahabhogam Anantam Adbhutam. There was a huge serpent, that is Ananta, namely Adishesha. Sahasramurdhyanya Phanamani Dyubihi. He has got thousands of woods. And on that you have gems. On the woods there are gems. Vibhrajamanam, shining. Digvinekshan Olbanam, and yet frightening. How does it look? Like a white mountain of Kailas with the tongues. I'm sure you must have seen the tongues of the Adishesha, and all of them Shitikantha Jihmam, dark blue, peacock blue. That is how the tongues were out there. Dadarshatat bhoga sukhasanam vibhum. On this huge serpent, primordial serpent, the Lord is reclining. When you see the Lord reclining, you also recline. When you have his darshan, naturally you are at peace. Through all the turbulence of life, when you have this Divya Darshana of the Lord, Ananta Padmanabha Swami, as he is called, Shantakaram, Bhujagashayanam, Padmanabham Suresham, that is how he is. Dadarshatat bhoga sukhasanam vibhum mahanubhavam purushottamottamam. Purushottama is an Purushottamottamam. Sandrambudhavam supishangavasasam prasanna ruchiraya tekshanam. Everything about him is beautiful. He's got lovely eyes, he's got a pleasant face, he's wearing yellow silk, and he's got a dark cloud, complexion of a dark cloud. How is it? Sandrambudhabam. Mahamanivrata kirita kundala. He's got a kirita and lovely, large kirita and kundala. Prabha parikshipta sahasra kuntalam. When he was small, we saw him as Ambujakshanam Sahasra Kuntalam. That is how the master, whether he is a small child or he is reclining on the primordial serpent, he has got lovely curls. And these curls are now lit by Prabha Parikshipta Sahasra Kuntalam, Pralamba Charvashta Bhujam Sakaustubham. He's got Ashtabhujam. And all of them are shining. Plus, he's got the Kaustuba. I hope you know the Kaustuba is a large pendant. Srivatsalakshmam. It's got a small curl of hair which looks like a birthmark. Vanamalyavavratam. He's got Vanamala. Sunandanandana Pramukhai Swaparshadai. So many of them are standing around him. This is how it looks when he has got that primordial form of his with all the Sanat Kumaras, all of them standing around him. Look at the dual role that Krishna is playing. Krishna is here, Krishna is there. Krishna and Arjuna both bow down to that Krishna who is lying on the primordial serpent. Vavanda Atmanam Anantam Achyuto. He is bowing down to himself, says the Bhagavata. Jishnuschatad darshana jata sadvasaha. The Lord is not surprised to see himself. How are you surprised to see yourself in the mirror? No. It is only Arjuna, Naranarayana, as he is called. Arjuna says, this is you, Master, this is you. Tavaha bhuma paramishtinam prabhu baddhanjali sasmita murjaya giram. It was a great voice that spoke. I was waiting for you, both of you, to come here. And it was I who took away all the children of the Brahmanas so that you would come to Vaikuntha and have my darshan. Dvijatmaja, children of the Brahmana. Ye yuva me yuvayo didrukshuna. Didrukshuna. I was desirous of seeing you. Mayo panita bhuvi dharma guptaye. In order to establish dharma in the world, I did this. I wanted to give you the credit of establishing dharma, my dear. Kalavati Rinau Avane Bhubhara Suran. I wanted you to be born in the world, to take the form in the world, and reduce the burden of the demons in the world. Hatve habhuyas tvarayet mantibi. I wanted you to finish your work, dharma samsthapana, tvaraya antibi, come. Tvaraya itam anti, me, come back to me after you have done परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे पूर्णकामावपि युवां नरनारायण ऋषि. You are Naranaraya Rishi. This is dual form. Dharmam acharatam sthithyai rishabhau lokasangraham. You have to do lokasangraha. You have to look after the welfare of the world. Never tetam swakam dhama. Go. Ityadishto bhagavata tau krishno parameshtina. Om Ityanamya. They bowed down to the Lord. One Lord is bowing down to the other Lord. Arjuna is bowing down to the Lord. And then Vipraya Dadatu Putran. They gave back the children to the Brahmana. Yatha Rupam Yathavaya. That is the best part of it. They died 10 years back. But as they had died, they were brought back. You understand? Yatha Rupam Yathavaya. Not all the same, of the same age. Each one had died at a different time. So as they had died, they were brought back to the parent. Nishamya Vaishnavam Dhama Partha Paramavistitaha. Naturally, if we were listening to this Parandhama, we are zapped, we are bewildered. Imagine how the great Arjuna would have felt. Yat kinchit paurusham pumsam mene Krishnanukampitam. This particular line brings tears to my eyes. Anything in the world which is excellent, anything in the world praiseworthy, is only by the grace of Krishna. Yat kinchit paurusham pumsam mene Krishnanukampitam. It is given by Krishna. If M.S. Subbulakshmi sang well, it was because of Krishna. If Dhoni is a great batsman, or Tendulkar, it is because of Krishna. If Lata Mangeshkar ji till in her 90s is singing, it is because of Krishna. Anything. If anyone in his field, if Narendra Modi is ruling well, it is because of Krishna, not because of Narendra Modi. You understand? Anything excellent, the Lord said in the Gita, 10th chapter, Yat Yat Vibhuti Matsattvam. Whatever is excellent in the world is only a pale reflection of an iota of my brilliance. I don't know mathematics, but I'm sure it's the smallest and the smallest and the smallest and the smallest. That is what it is compared to this large cosmic radiance of the Lord. Yat kinchit paurusham pumsam mene Krishnanukampitam. And dear listeners, the Bhagavata is teaching us humility. After which we come to know that the Lord showered on the Brahmanas and other subjects all the gifts that they wanted, just as Indra gives rain to everybody. That is how the Lord established justice in the world. My dear listeners, here comes to an end chapter 89 of the 10th skanda. We pass on to the 11th skanda. I hope you remember the Bhagavata has 12 skandhas. And the 11th skandha is full of philosophy, full of spiritual knowledge, full of metaphysics, full of the art of living, if I can call it so. Shukadeva is talking to Parikshit, and he says that how did the Lord arrange the Kurukshetra? Very strange that today's topic that I chose for my message is the battle is on. Why was the battle on? Because Krishna wanted it to be on. Krishna wanted it to be on. Why? Because the sons of Pandu had been insulted by the sons of Dhritarashtra. What are the things that the Lord did not like? He was offended. Ye kopita subahu Pandu suta sapatnai durdyuta helana kachagrahanadivistan kritva nimittam itaretaratar sametan hatvan nripan niharat kshitibharamishaha. In one shloka, the Bhagavata is summarizing the purport of the Mahabharata. What is it? What did the Lord do? He got the kings killed. Where? Nripan nirahat harat kshitibharam ishaha. By that, he brought down the burden of the earth. How? Ye kopita subahu pandu suta sapatnai. The enemies of the Pandusutas, Pandavas. What did they do? Durdyuta, the game of dice, which I call the game of lice. Helana, by their offenses. Kachagrahana, holding the tresses of Mother Draupadi. All these and other offenses. Kritva, Nimittam, made this the Nimitta and made them face each other. They were made to stand before each other. Why? Because Krishna wanted this to happen. Please remember what Sahadeva said when the Lord was pretending to make peace. Sahadeva said, no, there is no way of stopping the war. There's only one way of stopping the war, and that is putting you behind bars. If we imprison you, Krishna, there won't be any war. What do you mean? You won the war, Krishna. You won the war. The master plan is paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya chadushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavam yogi yogi. The rest of the katha we will see tomorrow. May the Lord fulfill all your dharmic desires. Please bless me as long as I live. Let me carry this message of faith and grace wherever I go. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir, Dhruvani Tirmatir Mama. Narayana 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 Bolo Narayana 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 Krishna Narayana 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 Satya Narayana 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 Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna Yatra partho dhanurdhara tatra Shri Vijayo bhutir Dhruvani tirmatir mama. God willing, we meet tomorrow again at 7 o'clock. Please remember, I told you that from 6th was the last day of the Katha. From 7th to 14th, I need a break, I said, and 15th, I would start the Bhagavatam, the satsang. But some of you wanted a reminder. So today, Ramabhaiya has sent the reminder to as many people as they can.
Thank you, Amma. Jai Shri Krishna.
Yes.
Thank
Jai
you.
Shri Krishna, Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma. Thank
You
you.
can remind your friends who have not come.
Jai Shri Krishna,
Jai
Amma.
Shri Krishna,
Jai
Didi.
Shri
Jai Shri
Krishna.
Krishna.
Jai Shri
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri
Yes.
Jai Shri Krishna, Ma. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma.
Yes.
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma. Jai Shri Krishna.
Again, thank you, Amma.
We meet tomorrow.